What is a sine wave? First of all, imagine you're tracing the circumference of a circle. On another graph, you keep the y value the same, but the x value is equal to the angle subtended by the arc you have created. We can now generalize all sine waves using the form amplitude with time is equal to peak amplitude times sine omega t plus or minus theta. A is the amplitude of the wave, equal to the radius of the unit circle. Omega is the angular velocity, the speed at which the angle changes within the circle. Angular velocity is defined as 2 pi times frequency, the number of oscillations per second. Theta is the phase and changes where the wave sits on the line. There are two ways to describe
Alright, let's go ahead and learn this awesome tune. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. Right hand, we have this C sharp here, middle C here for reference, Gorban octave C is a C sharp there. It goes C sharp, and then we have 7 D sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That. Okay, just like that. And you play this whole phrase for 3 times, so like this. So, okay, let's restart it from the beginning. So it goes 1, 2, 3. That's the first half of the first 3/4 of it, pretty much. Okay, and the left hand is just D sharp bass note. Just do the lowest D sharp on your piano. You can do it as an octave. If you can't reach it, just do the lower D sharp individual note. Anyways, so 2 hands together just goes like this. Just together, together, together. Yeah, let's do this simple version first, and then afterwards you can add your own rhythmic patterns. But anyways, that is the first 3/4 of it, and then the last part of it goes like this. For the right hand goes C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, E, 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 D sharp, just like that. Let's learn it again. So C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, E, 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 D sharp. And the left hand is the same thing, D sharp, and you just put the 2 hands together on the first note once again. So together, like that, and that's it for the last part. So together, just like that, and back to back, all the parts will be played like this. Repeat. Just like that. All right. And some of you guys might actually want to replace E with F, because it's actually very interesting, because the note for the is actually not